Alright, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are with the POV drive. As usual, going to the gym today. It is back to, fuck, I just remembered that I actually forgot my straps. I don't want to go back. I'm still in the complex of my apartment, but I really don't want to go back. So I think what I'm gonna do is for future references, I'm gonna put it on the car maybe, and I might put it like here and just get it from here so I don't forget. Or maybe I'm thinking in getting like putting in like a bag and having it there always, because I just literally forgot. But it is fine. I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna go back for that. I can work out with that without that. So yeah, everything's going fine. A lot of content coming in, a lot of edits, a lot of new upgrades in the content, in the quality, and a lot of things that I'm figuring out little by little. Of course, it takes time. I'm about to hit 200 videos in total in YouTube in a period of time of 2 months and something. So it is a lot of growth. It is a lot of discipline, and yeah, we are there. A lot of POV drives, a lot of create wealth mindset videos, gym videos, a lot of posts, and a lot of stuff that I have been posting. I think there's way more content coming in that I have to prepare, get ready for, and then record and then post. You know, it is a lot of work when you have to do it all by yourself. You know, it is way easier. I could tell that it should be way easier when you have some type of employees and some type of people that helps you, you know, clips with ideas with this. But right now I'm at the point where I'm alone. I have to do it by myself, but it is what it is. I'm not complaining. I'm actually really happy and really excited about all the content that I have been posting and all the success that I have been having. A lot of views in the videos, subscribers going up. I'm about to hit 100 subscribers, and I hope I end the month with 100 subscribers. That will be amazing for me. I'm actually gonna keep doing organic ads, organic videos, not paid ads or anything like that. And then in about 2 or 3 months, when I'm financially stable, I'm actually going to start with that. So I'm actually gonna do organic ads for a period of time, but like 5 months in total in social media. Then from there, I think I'm going to go ahead and invest really hard on. When I'm talking about investing, I'm gonna do prepaid ads. So I might put like a budget in each platform, like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, which I think those are the most that gives me the most audience, the most people looking my content. So I think on those 3 I'm gonna invest money. I'm gonna invest, I don't know, $1,000 to even $3,000 a month just for ads. So I'm gonna change a little bit from organic ads to paid ads, and then I'm gonna do both. So I'm gonna do both of them at the same time, but I need some paid ads. So I hope that the paid ads actually give me some content, some growth, and I think it's going to. Because of course paid ads is gonna show it to way more people, so way more people are gonna see my content. So I'm gonna find the right content that I'm going to manage to promote, and I'm gonna promote the best content I have out there. I don't think it's gonna be like POV driving. It's gonna be more about mindset, about growing, about consultations, and I'm going to post that. I'm gonna promote it, and I'm gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna try it out for 3, 4, 5 months. And I'm gonna try different ways. I'm gonna ask a lot of questions, and I'm gonna see which one is the best way to get more clients, to get more people to come to me. Because I believe in me, and I believe in the growth that I have had, and all the discipline, all the books, investment seminars and stuff that I have attended. So I believe I do have content for people. I do have things to help people. You know, I do have the knowledge and the skills to make you a plan, to make you a diet, to make you grow, to make you understand a lot of things, to make you become a man, the man that you want to be. You know, a lot of things, you know, sometimes we just need a little push. We sometimes need a mentor. I have post videos saying that you do need a mentor. As soon as I had my mentor, he changed my mindset. He changed the way I saw things. And he started telling me to create content. And that's what I did. And my life started to change little by little, little by little. And I'm not saying I'm a millionaire. I'm not saying I'm making $100,000 a month. I'm not there yet. And that's not the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal is to grow, to have a lot of content and people, an audience, a community, people that see the content and can educate themselves with the content that I'm posting. And of course, you know, that's what I'm working with. So it's gonna be a long journey. It's gonna be a long hours of work. Same in my job. At the same time I'm working. Same time I have to study for the classes that are gonna come. So probably in August, or not probably, in August I'm gonna start classes again. The fall is coming, so I'm gonna have the responsibility of doing some classes. So I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna be full online. I had received the email saying that they probably going to see if they can do something so I don't have to attend chapel. It might change the situation, because they told me that I was not gonna be able to like go to chapel, but go to some stuff that I need to go required. And if they tell me that I'm not required to do any of that, I'm actually going to go and take some classes. So I might do that and actually finish my career earlier, which actually I would love to actually graduate next year. I think I would love to do that. I think it's gonna be a long journey, and if I do, I'm gonna be way more in debt and way more things to pay. A lot of bills, because I have a lot of bills. I have student loans. I do live in an apartment, which is a nice apartment. I don't have a car payment, but I do have a lot of payments, a lot of investments, cameras, the phone, you know, a lot of those things that I have invested in, my PC, and things that I've been working that is actually helping me for the things that I want in the future for myself. So it is what it is. Life is like that, and you gotta enjoy it. You know, you gotta enjoy that you have bills to make, work to make, to complete, and live. So gotta be grateful to God for all the things that He gave us. He's giving us every single day. So all right, so let me make sure the camera is recording. I had some trouble yesterday that it was stopping recording. I don't know. So I just realized, if I say safe word, camera, stop video, GoPro, I had some trouble. Camera, stop. This, not record. Not really sure why it's stopping. I realized right now that it stopped the video, and I don't know if it does have a safe word or some type or some technology that stops the video. Why there's so many people in here? Well, it's like 3 cars. Damn. All right, well, there's some people here. Let's see how it goes with this workout, and I hope I see you guys in a minute. All right, let's get out of here. I gotta actually be checking the camera, because stops and it stops. recording sometimes, so I gotta be checking all the freaking time. I don't know if GoPro is like this. I don't really understand. I don't like that it stops sometimes. I don't know if I have to fix something, I have to set something, not really sure, but it is what it is. We're going home now. It's really late for the time that I have been going to the gym. To be honest, it's my fault. I actually went to sleep for a minute. I had some dinner at 7, no, actually at 6 something. Then at 7 o'clock I was so full and tired because I had a 10-hour shift yesterday, well, today. So it was kind of rough, not going to lie to you. I haven't had one of those 10 hours in a while, so hold on. So that's why I was so goddamn tired, like really tired. But it is what it is. We're here, we're going home. That's a nice car right there. Come on. All right. He's having the time of his life. All right. I'm actually gonna use this road. Right. I'm actually getting ready for all the classes, all the responsibilities that are coming to me, all the payments, all the stuff. It's gonna be a lot of work. I do hope, hopefully I can graduate on next year, so I can finish this. I can finish this career business major, finish and kind of see what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna go. Hopefully have a lot of work and a lot of success in all the things that I'm doing. Hopefully. All right, let's get home. I'm almost there, so should be a couple minutes. Let me actually check the camera. It's just kind of not cool when it stops recording. You know, it's kind of annoying to me that it does that. I was thinking on a safe word. I was thinking in something that I say, or that I say a couple of times. I don't know. I've been trying words and see if it stops. And let me actually focus in here. Sometimes there's animals in here. So let me actually go kind of be with care. I don't want to hit anything, you know. Dang, it's a Monday and people are here on Traffic Club. This is crazy. How can someone go? That one looks like he was having some work and then went there to have some fun, maybe. Different type of fun than someone like me or someone like you that you watching this video. You're trying to make other things happen in your life instead of just having temporary fun, lost in things that are not going to help you with anything at all. Tomorrow's another 10-hour shift. Tomorrow's actually gonna be kind of the same. I'll be tired, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to wake up at 7 and make some breakfast for me so I can have some energy for the day. I'm actually gonna probably make some hot chocolate on the morning with some eggs and stuff, and I might be with a lot of energy if I do eggs, sardines, and maybe some hot chocolate. So I think I'm gonna wake up early at 7 so I can do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because sometimes I do eggs and that's it, eggs and sardines, or eggs and that's it, and sometimes it's just not enough. So what I do is hot chocolate, and it does have sugar, but then I add cornstarch. Cornstarch have protein, and it is strong for you, so, and milk, so of course that helps a little bit for me to actually have more energy and more protein on the body too. So I might do that tomorrow morning, or I might not. I'm actually going to do it. I'm gonna put an alarm at 7 and go and do that, so I have energy for the 10-hour work shift, which is gonna be crazy for me. It's gonna be crazy. I haven't been working like that in a while. I have been working 7-hour days every day, Monday to Saturdays, which I do prefer that 10 times over working 10 hours or even 8 hours a day. So 7 hours days are way better, and I have been taking naps in the night or on the afternoon, and it is way better. So I have been sleeping better. Not yesterday though, but you know what I mean. So now let me actually sit in the computer, edit these 2 videos, maybe upload them, maybe if I have enough time. And I wanted to actually do some dishes that I needed to do, but we'll see about that. This is really late. I'm not into making a lot of noise either, so we'll see. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna drink some water now and get some stuff ready. So I'll see you guys.